Good evening, class. Today we are doing exercise 1b. The first sum of this exercise is find the additive inverse of 9 over 13. So to find the additive inverse of any number, we have to simply put a negative sign before the number. So here I am writing additive inverse of 9 by 13 is minus 9 over 13. If positive number is given, then we have to put a minus sign before the number, right? So आपका एडिटिव इनवर्स 9/13 का हमें क्या मिला? इट इज़ minus 9/13. Now we are doing the third part. It is given minus 3/23 and we have to find the additive inverse of this number, this rational number. So the additive inverse of minus 3/13 is minus of minus 3/13, because minus sign is already there with the number. Our rational number is negative, so we have to put extra minus sign before it. So this minus minus becomes plus, so it is positive rational number. So the additive inverse of a negative rational number is a positive number. Now the second question, it is find the sum. We have given two numbers, minus 7/17 and 6/17. We have to find the sum of these two numbers. Here you can see the denominator of both the numbers is same. So simply take the LCM as 17. We have LCM as 17. हमने दोनों numbers का LCM 17 ले लिया. So we have to simply add the numerators. So it is minus 7 plus 6. This becomes minus 1/17. In this step, simply I have taken the LCM of both the numbers. Okay. Now the fourth part. In the fourth part, we have given two numbers, minus 11/18 and 5/12. So here we can write it minus 11/18 minus 5/12. We have to write like this first, then we have to take the LCM. Okay, because we can't take the LCM of a negative number, so we have to write like this first. So now the LCM of 18 and 12, it is, here you can see that I have done this process of finding LCM. तो आपने भी इस तरह LCM फाइंड करके दिखाना है. So now the LCM of 18 and 12 is 36. So these two numbers are given. Now we have to do like this. Here I am writing, you can see here I am writing 36 in place of both the denominators. So we get minus 36. Here it's 36, sorry, in place of 18. Now we have to multiply the numerator by 2, as 36 comes in the table of 18 by 2. अब 18 के टेबल में 36 कितने टाइम्स आता है? 2 टाइम्स. तो हमने न्यूमरेटर जो था इसका 18 का जो न्यूमरेटर है 11 माइनस 11, उसको हमने 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया. सेम फॉर 5/12. हमारे पास डिनोमिनेटर 12 था, उसकी जगह हमें 36 लिखा है, ठीक है. एंड 12 की टेबल में 36 3 टाइम्स आता है, इसलिए हमने न्यूमरेटर जो था 5 उसको 3 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया. नाउ 11 2 ज़ा 22 एंड 5 3 ज़ा 15. We get the numbers 22/36 and minus 15/36. Now you can see denominators are same, so take an LCM, and the numerator we have to write like minus 22 and minus 15. इन दोनों का साइन सेम है, so it becomes minus 37/36. अब ये हमारा इम्प्रॉपर है फ्रैक्शन, इसको हमने मिक्स फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट कर दिया. Okay. Now the third one, subtract 2/3 from 5/6. हमें 2/3 को 5/6 में से सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. फ्रॉम के बाद जो नंबर लिखा होता है हमें उसे पहले लिखना होता है. जब भी सब्ट्रैक्शन होगा तो उसमें फ्रॉम के बाद वाला नंबर जो है उसको हमें फर्स्ट प्लेस पे लिखना है, देन माइनस दिस वन. सो इट इज़ 5/6 minus 2/3. Now we have to take the LCM of these two डिनोमिनेटर्स, अगर हमारे डिनोमिनेटर्स डिफरेंट है तो हमें उसका एलसीएम लेना है. सो नाउ द एलसीएम ऑफ 6 and 3 is 6. Okay, so now in the table of 6 comes 1 times, so 5 multiplied by 1, and in the table of 3 6 comes 2 times, so we have to multiply this 2 by 2. Okay, so it becomes 5 ones are 5 and 2 twos are 4. 5 minus 1 is 4, so we get 1 upon 6. Now the third part, 4 upon 9 from minus 7 over 8. So it is minus 7 over 8 minus 4 by 9. Now we have to take the LCM as both the denominators are different. The LCM of 8 and 9, you can see here, the LCM of 8 and 9 is 72. Okay, so now we have fractions like this. We have to subtract 4 by 9 from minus 7 over 8. Now taking LCM, it's 72. In the table of 8, 72 comes at 9th place, so we have to multiply this minus 7 by 9. And in the table of 9, 72 comes at 8th place, so we have to multiply minus 4 by 8. ठीक है, 8 की टेबल में 72 9 टाइम्स आता है, तो हमने माइनस 7 को 9 से मल्टीप्लाई किया. 9 की टेबल में 72 8 टाइम्स आता है, तो हमने माइनस 4 को 8 से मल्टीप्लाई किया. सो 7 9 63 एंड 4 8 32. इन दोनों को ऐड कर लिया क्योंकि दे हैव सेम साइन, सो इट बिकम्स माइनस 95 over 72. मैंने इसको इम्प्रॉपर है, इसको अभी मिक्स में कन्वर्ट नहीं किया है, आप इसको मिक्स में कन्वर्ट कर लेंगे. नाउ द फोर्थ सम, it is given the sum of two rational numbers is minus 4 by 9. If one of them is 13 over 6, then find the other. We have given the sum. Sum means we have to add two numbers, so that's why I am writing sum is equals to first number and second number. हमें यहाँ दो numbers given है, one number is given and we have to find the second one, है ना. तो two numbers की बात हो रही है और sum ये given है, तो हमने इसको इस तरह लिख लिया, sum is equals to first number plus second number. Sum is given minus 4 by 9. Here you can see minus 4 by 9, and the first number is given 13 by 6, and we have to find the other one. So now in place of sum I am writing minus 4 by 9. First number I have to write 13 over 6. Second number we have to find. Now taking this 13 over 6 in the left hand side, so it becomes minus 4 by 9 minus 13 over 6. Now denominators are different, so we have to take the LCM. LCM आपको खुद find करना है. Now the LCM of 9 and 6 becomes 54. Now the 9 की table में 54 6 times, so we have to multiply minus 4 by 6, and the table of 6 it comes at 9, so minus 13 multiplied by 9. Now simplify it. It becomes minus 24 minus 117 over 54. After adding we get minus 141 over 54. Now I have cut it by 3, so 141 को जब हम 3 से डिवाइड करेंगे we get 47, and जब हम 54 को 3 से डिवाइड करेंगे then we get 18, so it becomes minus 47 over 18. It is an improper fraction, so we have to convert it in mixed fraction. So the second number we get it minus 2 11 over 18. Now the fifth question, what should be added to minus 2 by 3 to get minus 1 over 7? So we have to write like this, that let x should be added, and this x should be added to minus 2 by 3. So I am writing like this, x plus minus 2 by 3 is equals to minus 1 over 7. So here we have to mention that it is according to question. It is according to question. As such question, in question we have given that x is added to minus 2 by 3 and to get minus 1 over 7. So we have to write like this, minus 1 upon 7 minus of minus 2 by 3. हम इस माइनस 2 by 3 के आगे प्लस साइन है, जब हम राइट में शिफ्ट करेंगे तो ये वाला साइन माइनस में होगा, ब्रैकेट के अंदर वाले साइन पे कोई इफेक्ट नहीं पड़ेगा. सो इट बिकम्स minus 1 by 7 plus 2 by 3. अगेन वी हैव टू टेक द LCM. So it becomes minus 1 into 3 plus 2 into 7, or minus 3 plus 14, or it is 11 over 21. So this is the value of x. Now the next is, what number should be subtracted from minus 2 to get 7 over 11? Now we have to subtract some any number. So it is, let x should be subtracted and it should be subtracted from minus 2. So we have to write like this: minus 2 minus x is equals to 7 over 11. Taking minus 2 in right hand side, it's become 7 over 11 plus 2. Taking LCM, it becomes 7 into 1 plus 2 into 11. After simplifying, we get 7 plus 22, that is 29 over 11, and converting it into mixed fraction, it is x minus x is equals to 2 whole 7 over 11. Now we have to multiply minus 1 both sides. So we get x is equals to minus 2 7 over 11, and this is our answer. So 8th class, this is your exercise 1B, and rest of the parts, I think 7th and 8th, 2 questions are left, and this is your homework.